Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Theodosia, and if this is your first time joining, thank you. If this is not your first time joining this channel, thank you very much. Thank you for coming back. So today we are going to be tasting Mauritian street food. I don't know why I haven't done this for the longest, but today I decided to do it. And my tour guide will be Lekon. So Lekon knows all the food joints in Mauritius, and he's taking me to Catribon to go taste street food. So if this is something you feel you would like, please stick around. Make sure you share, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and let's get right into this video. Hi Lekon.
Hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
I actually got that. So for our first stop, we will be having salmon roti. I don't know what it tastes like yet, but it's looking good. And we are currently at Flicker Flack. We haven't gone to Catribon yet. And this is how it's packed. It is basically packed in a paper, and if you guys do not know, roti is a flour based meal, and we bought the salmon roti for 25 rupees. So let's taste it. What salmon roti?
Yeah, salmon with chili and their sauce.
Chili and their sauce.
You want to look inside before we eat it, or
I swear, do you know I've never eaten roti before?
Are you kidding me?
I kid you not.
Wow. So what have you been eating on the street?
Jollof rice. Okay.
Yeah. So how is it? Can you taste the fish?
I don't know how I feel about it.
What can you taste?
I like the body.
Yeah, their stuff is really nice. And I like their sauce. Their sauce is nice.
So after we tasted the salmon roti, which I really liked, by the way, surprisingly, we decided to go to Catribon, and we are currently at the La Louise taxi park. This store is not hard to miss. It's just by the taxi park, and based on Lekon's recommendation, we are trying to taste the roti and the dopuri. It's a little bit different, but it's similar at the same time, and then it's not expensive. It's about 13 and 15 rupees per piece, so it's very affordable.
So brace yourself. All right, what do you think?
I don't like it.
I told you.
Because the moment you put it in your mouth,
It's just kind of dissolves, yeah. So I'm not really a fan of.
the sauce is nice, but
Yeah.
it's pouring out.
Yeah, dopuri is. I'm not a fan of dopuri. You should try the roti. Yeah, just leave that one and try the roti. Their sauce is simple. That's one thing I like about it. Their sauce is simple. It's curry, then the potato thing, then chili. Simple. Just flip it to the, yeah, exactly. Then roll that one to yeah. What do you think?
Wait, this is veg.
Yeah, veg. All veg. The first one was not veg, but this is veg. So in Catribon you mostly find veg.
So before moving forward, we saw this shop just by the corner, and this lady was basically making roti from scratch. So this is how they make roti, and heat it up, and then they already have the fillings there already. They're not going to make it from scratch, so she's literally just making it. And well, I had privilege of recording it while she was making it. It looks like a very easy process, but I don't think I would want to go through this process anytime I want to eat roti. So she's just basically taking our order. We decided to take one octopus and one veg roti, and this is basically what they have: fish, octopus, chicken, and these are the different veg options. It literally scared me out, but I was asking her what she had, and one is chicken, that one is potatoes, and we just tried the potatoes, guys.
I think which other one? I think you have
The tomato sauce.
2 or 3. I'm not sure.
So on our way to go check out more stores, we find this place that had crowd, and I wanted to know what these little small balls are, and they are called gatopi. And I haven't seen this before in Mauritius. Well, not like I was looking for it, but then it just happened to be there and I wanted to try it, and I saw they were frying it just here. So we bought it. It was for like less than 10 rupees if I'm not mistaken, and the guy just pouring it into the hot oil. But anyways, we tried it and it tastes really, really nice.
Nice, focused. Yeah. I don't know the name. It's just crunchy, like. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah. How do you feel? That is the sauce.
Better than the last one.
Anything we taste now is going to be better than the last one. Trust me. Anything we taste. It's not the best, but it's okay. This one, like.
I didn't lay 7.
Yeah, me, I was going to say 6 though. Yeah.
The first one we tried was really nice.
Yeah.
That's
The
that first one.
yeah.
And
But we can't compare salmon to veg though. That's the thing. So it's kind of not fair. But like if we're comparing it to
first
other
veg.
veg, yes, nice. Yeah.
So after tasting this roti, and it was really nice by the way, we decided to go taste something entirely different from roti, and we decided to taste boulette. Yes. think of it like pepper soup but with different type of proteins. And this is what we ordered. We ordered one plate. We decided to put in lamb, crevettes, chicken as well, just to have different flavors and know what exactly it tastes like. And she's adding the sauce to it. This is what it looks like, guys. It looks like pepper soup, but not exactly.
In case you lie, your face will not lie. Alright. Let's see. Don't worry, drink it. How does it taste?
It's like noodles water. So this is the lamb.
Yep. How is it?
Actually, would have preferred if it's fried, but it can't be fried.
Yeah, it's steamed.
Right?
The crevette look like that on an easy egg. That thing that just dropped.
It's like egg.
More. No, I think I'll just have the lamb because the other ones they are scaring me. I'll probably have just the lamb. You're not smiling at all.
It doesn't have any. Wait, it does.
Does it taste like crevette? Does it actually
I don't know
taste
what crevette is.
Crevette is shrimps, or prawns or whatever.
It's not bad. I prefer the crevette to the lamb.
Yeah.
No, I actually prefer the crevette to the lamb.
Really?
Yeah. Don't think about it.
Not bad.
Did you feel that garlic taste?
Yeah. But it still tastes like.
Yeah, it's not bad, but I think I prefer the crevette.
It's not bad. It's not bad. So I think this is chicken.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see.
The chicken won't be bad.
Oh, chicken that have soap water. What do you think about that?
Don't think too much.
I think it's not bad, but like, you know, there's this thing with eating food that is soggy.
Yeah.
Into water, so like you get that.
That's why I said I would have preferred if it's like fried, but it can't be
bad,
fried.
But like it's nice, but like if you're someone that doesn't really like soggy food, you might feel different, but it's not bad to be honest.
Flat and
Yeah, I think the way she rolled it.
packed it well.
Well, yeah.
Let me know. But it's hot. Oh my god.
Even without the chili, the chili actually, it's too good.